Alright, it's a tutorial. I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to wash your car. I mean, I'm sure you already know how, but it's the right way, you know, on a budget. It's $175, you know, with 11 quarters. I didn't just make that up. Alright, so this is before. It's really dirty though. The lighting is not really good. Step back at the whole thing. Dirty, 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 dirty. Yeah, she dirty. That's the one right there. We're not using soap. You know, we only got this much money. 7 quarters. I said 11. 7-Eleven. Right across the street. Here we go, 7-Eleven. Thought I was lying to you, but I'm telling you nothing but the truth. System 1, did this one work? For pressurizing. Yep. Yeah. Give it a shower. All right, so what you really want to do is be serious. Being serious. Pay attention. Listen closely. Listen. You want to start from the top and work your way down. And the science behind that is you want to wash the dirt off the top and go down, you know? So you don't want to wash the sides first, then wash the top because you're getting the dirt back on the sides you just washed. So there's no, what the fuck? I just wasted my money. No pressure. See that? Got some fake quarter. There we go. Ooh, shit. Got some. All the brake dust, gotta get that off. Regular forged wheels. You know, they ain't no regular wheels. Watching this bitch for minutes. Long ass time. That was 50 times. Good. still got time. Damn good deal. There we go. Sound like a fire alarm going off. Yeah! Oh, it's still over. That's good enough. Take them off. You gotta clean up after yourself. You gotta clean up after yourself. Alright, that's good enough. It's gonna be right back dirty tomorrow. Can't care too much. Look good. Wheels changer. Yeah. You know, if you really got money like that, you bring $1 or $5, you know, stick it in there, get some coins back. But I ain't like that, bro. You know, I had to penny pinch. I had to go, you know, I had to dig in the change drawer. You know, where the change go. I had to go get the little quarters out of there. It's still wet right now, but it shined up pretty good. You know, I'm gonna do the 60 and let it dry, you know? Let the wind handle it. I don't know about the water spots and all, but I'm gonna just let it be. I'm not about to put that much time into it. And look at it, what the fuck? Yeah, it just ran, man, you know. You drive, the wind goes, yeah, you know. You know, my whole fender bender. Every single dash light is on my fucking dash. Every single light is on my dash right now.